If you have an apricot tree, you know what apricot season means. Fruit all the time, really fast for about 1 week. And you have to move quick. So let me tell you a few things that I love to do with my apricots when it is apricot season. I love to make an apricot jam that I use actually as a barbecue sauce, or we're not gonna go into that. I also love making an upside down apricot cake, but we're not gonna go into that. We're gonna go for straight up easy. What am I gonna do with these apricots? And that is making fruit leather. First, let's wash some apricots. I like them nice and ripe, almost that overly juicy. So I'm gonna fill up my blender. Okay, let's slice and pit. Look at that beauty. This is a very loose recipe. It's something I made up on the fly. I know how quick this fruit leather is going to be eaten up by my kids. Like truly, I have to hide it. I will do about 4 to 5 cups of apricot. If you really fill this up, it's probably going to be about 5 trays of apricot leather. So if you just want to do 1 or 2 trays, if you're just doing it in your oven or you're doing it with a dehydrator, less is more. Next up, this is how easy this recipe is. I'm going to grab a lemon. This is a very loose recipe. Y'all can do however you want to do. I just take half a squeeze of lemon in real good, squeeze it in. I'm going to pull out that seed. I like something called the cake spice. It's kind of like an all-season spice. It has some nutmeg, it has some anise. You don't have to find the cake spice. It will taste just great if you want to do cinnamon. So if you're just going straight cinnamon, I do about 3 to 4 teaspoons of that. Otherwise, I'm going to do 2 teaspoons of cake spice, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 to a half a cup of sugar. It's a lot. I want to throw this out here right now. Listen, not all cinnamons are created equal. This is amazing. The China cinnamon, Tung Hing cinnamon, is beyond any cinnamon you've ever tasted. Honestly, tastes like cinnamon bears. And we're going to blend it up and call it good. Okay, so now we have our puree. It's all nice. Oh, it smells so good. And I'm going to just give it a taste. Oh, that's a little tart, but that's okay. I like a little tart. I'm going to make Ashley. Ashley, come here. Here we go. We're going to go like this.
That is good.
Yum!
That is good.
Here we go. I'm going to take this, and I'm just going to lightly is the key. I'm going to lightly pour it on. You don't want it to go too thick, otherwise it takes a lot longer for it to dry. I don't like to use a spatula, I just like to use gravity. I'm going to move it all over, give it a tap or 2. Okay, done. 4 to 5 hours later, we're going to have fruit leather. So my favorite way to dehydrate is honestly just using the straight up sun. Now, some people may not have that option, or you might have a lot of flies or a lot of pests. I don't cover it. A lot of people have screens, a really fine mesh that they'll put over to protect it from any insects. Shockingly, I just don't have insects that go after it. I have children, and they are kind of worse than insects, and they always pick at it before it's ready. But insects for me have not been a problem. It's gonna be 100 today, so I'm gonna leave this guy to bake in the sun. You know what? I'm gonna take a seat and I'm gonna bake along with it. All right, my modern gardener friends, until next time, see ya on the flip side.